Hello friends, welcome to this exciting video where we will learn about something we use every day, speakers. Have you ever listened to music on your phone, computer or TV and wondered, how does a speaker turn electricity into sound? Well, today we'll break it down step by step so that even a 5th grader can understand. Stay tuned till the end because we'll also discuss a fun experiment to see sound vibrations in action. So let's get started. Before we understand how a speaker works, we first need to understand sound. What is sound? Imagine you clap your hands. What happens? You hear a sound. But why? That's because when you clap, your hands push the air molecules, creating tiny waves that travel to your ears. These waves are called sound waves. Your ears collect these waves and your brain understands them as sound. Let's look at another example. Have you ever noticed how a drum vibrates when you hit it? The surface of the drum moves back and forth, pushing air and creating sound waves. Speakers do something very similar. They create vibrations in the air, which travel to your ears as sound waves. Now let's take a closer look inside a speaker. Every speaker has 4 main parts. 1 magnet. This is a permanent magnet that never loses its magnetism. It helps create motion inside the speaker. 2 coil, electromagnet. A thin wire loop wrapped around a small cylinder. When electricity flows through this coil, it becomes an electromagnet, meaning it can attract or repel the magnet. 3 diaphragm, cone. This is the part that actually produces sound. It is usually made of paper, plastic or metal and moves back and forth to push air and create sound waves. 4 electric current. This is what makes everything work. The electricity coming from your music player, phone or computer controls the movement of the speaker. Now that we know the parts, let's see how they work together. When you press play on a song, a tiny electrical signal travels from your phone, computer or TV to the speaker. Here's what happens next. The electric current flows into the coil, turning it into an electromagnet. Now the coil is attracted and repelled by the permanent magnet inside the speaker. This movement makes the diaphragm, cone, move back and forth really fast, sometimes hundreds or thousands of times per second. This vibration pushes the air around it, creating sound waves that travel to your ears. So the speaker is basically turning electricity into vibrations, and these vibrations become sound. Now, you might be wondering, how does a speaker produce different sounds? Low sounds, like a deep drum beat, are made when the diaphragm moves slowly. High sounds, like a whistle, are made when the diaphragm moves very fast. This is called frequency. The faster the vibration, the higher the sound. The slower the vibration, the lower the sound. Want to see sound vibrations in real life? Try this fun experiment. Take a small speaker and place a thin plastic sheet over it. Now, sprinkle some small rice grains or salt on top. Play some music and watch the grains jump. What's happening here? The speaker's diaphragm is moving, creating vibrations in the air. These vibrations shake the grains, making them move up and down. This is a simple way to see sound waves in action. So let's quickly recap everything we learned today. Sound is made of vibrations that travel through the air. A speaker has 4 main parts: a magnet, coil, diaphragm, and electric current. Electricity turns the coil into an electromagnet, making it move back and forth. This movement creates vibrations, producing sound waves that we can hear. Faster vibrations reach higher sounds, and slower vibrations reach lower sounds. Speakers are an amazing invention, and now you know exactly how they work. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more exciting content. See you next time.